In lead battery manufacturing, there is no room for compromise. A single failed batch, inconsistent crystal growth, or a sudden line stoppage doesn't just cost money, it threatens your reputation and your supply chain. Many promise support but leave you stranded with high VPN fees, slow responses, and long production halts during critical failures. At CAM, we engineer certainty. From high-output lead oxide ball mills to advanced 4BS steam curing chambers, we design heavy-duty systems built to last a lifetime with certified repeatable parameters. And we back your investment with the Continuity Protocol 365, a concrete commitment to keep your plant running 24/7 no matter what. Stop buying machinery, start investing in durability and peace of mind. Partner with lead oxide specialists. Contact CAM today.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.